Hi, Professor and class. I am Evelyn Prevel. I have been working at North Shore Hospital as a labor and delivery nurse for over 14 years. I have cared for women during the intrapartum, during the antenatal period, intrapartum and postpartum period. I am also volunteering once a week as a new graduate family nurse practitioner in an obstetric clinic just to get some skills. Basically, from my graduation up to now, all my past experiences have been to some extent about women's health. After my graduation and during my 2 years of residency program, I had worked in an ambulatory clinic where I provided prenatal care and vaccination to women and children with low socioeconomic status in the suburb of Haiti. Once my residency completed, I was hired in a state hospital where I worked at different levels of responsibility for nearly 17 years. I worked as a floor nurse at first for 7 years. Then I was promoted as a manager to the maternity unit. And I was promoted as a manager to the maternity unit. After that, I worked for a short period of time though in a skilled nursing facility, and I did some home health work as well. I love my job. I love doing my job because this is a friendly environment where nurses share with the patient the joy of welcoming a new human being to the world. I was born and grew up in Haiti, the first independent black country. Haiti is located in the eastern part of Hispaniola Island in the Caribbean Sea, which we share with the Dominican Republic. Haiti has 1/3 of the island, and Dominican Republic occupied 2/3. I am the youngest of a family of 6, and I have 3 sisters and 4 brothers. I have only one daughter, and she is now 27 years old. I immigrated in the United States in 2001, where I have been living in the Sunshine State, Florida, since. I like traveling on my leisure time, which allow me to sightseeing and learning about different cultures. Besides traveling, I like reading, mostly research articles, which will keep me informed of the latest medical breakthrough. Apparently, my close friends and family members will describe me as someone who is an introvert, but I think I am more an extroverted introvert because I act and behave differently from depending of my surroundings and the people I am dealing with. For example, I like to be alone all the times, and I don't feel comfortable in large crowds. However, I can appreciate the company. I can appreciate the company of someone whom I can engage in profound conversation about sensitive topics like politics, healthcare reforms, or social inequality. I don't think this part of my personality is noticeable to my close friends and family members who think knowing me. Why choosing a women's health track as my concentration? This is an interesting question. I will start by saying that I was advised by some friends to go first for the family nurse practitioner track because it is advertised as more marketable. However, after earning my master's degree as a family nurse practitioner, I come to realize that I did not make a rational decision working in obstetric for so long. And working in obstetric for so long makes me understand this is the only specialization I know. And this is the only specialization where I can work, I feel comfortable working with confidence. This is what explains that I'm still working as a registered nurse. In addition, lacking experiences, skills, and knowledge in the medical surgical unit is a challenging factor that which will be difficult for me to overcome. I have always dreamed of becoming a nurse practitioner specialized in women's health. I am passionate about different aspects of women's obstetrical, gynecological, and reproductive health. I understand that a specialization in the field will make me understand better women's health across the lifespan and understand as well the changes that are occurring. And I think it will be in my interest and those of my patients to keep working in a field where I have already built a great deal of knowledge. Thus, after much thought and consideration, I decided to go back to school to obtain a postmaster certificate in women's health. I believe this is the best decision I've ever made. I feel like I will excel more in the field of specialization where I have a great deal of knowledge and years of experience, and I believe that I will acquire more knowledge, new knowledge. I believe that acquiring new knowledge coupled with my experiences will help me care for women efficiently across the lifespan. I am a highly driven person who loves to succeed, and I will take all the necessary steps and actions leading to success. I am also interested in my personal and professional growth. Therefore, my career as an advanced practice registered nurse goes beyond the certification. It involves a series of initiatives with ambitions for growth. Initially, of course, I intend to find a position that will allow me to acquire experiences and skills. I am also interested in finding a position with room for growth where I can develop a positive aptitude to reach my goals. I believe these are the prerequisites. I believe that these prerequisites are essential for me to start a career, build my self-esteem, and develop my personal growth. I also want to empower myself to access higher level of responsibilities in nursing. At a professional level, I want to pursue my education and obtain a doctorate degree in nursing. I want to be at the forefront among those who are making changes or transferring knowledge to the new generation. Making changes with intent to decrease health disparities and increase preventive care and increase access to health care. At the educational level, I want to offer my contribution to the new generation, help them to acquire new knowledge, help them to succeed, and help them to represent well the profession. And I believe that my contribution to education and research will help in the advancement of the profession that I'm proud to be part of. And thank you for listening. And I am looking forward, class, to working with you. And have a good day. Thank you.